Tesla we had on the downside to break 190.31. That is this red line right here. It never came back. Okay. Then the nice thing is you also got a 2-minute. So you got to run this all the way down. This one right here retired you at least for the rest of the year. Right? And then this one ran up, and then wherever you collected profits. So that was off the 2-minute. So you got to run it down with the pre-market, and you got to run it up with the 2-minute EWO. Does everybody see that?
Yes.
You need to pay attention.
Yes, yes, Coach.
Because I mean, that's you know, this is what I call those account changers, right? If all you had to do was go in there, and for some of you, if you're in panic mode, listen, one contract of Tesla here, which by the way, this is probably 200% move, right? So even if it was a $400 contract, you just made $800 profit on that move. Then you got to play off the 2-minute here, and you probably got another 40 to 50% run right here. You're talking 250% run off these 2 moves. That's 2 trades. So, and it required nothing, right? $400, and your risk would have been about $40, 10%, right? Now, this one was choppier. Okay, this is for you scalpers. If we're looking at like SPY, which was really chop, right? It broke the pre-market up here. You barely made anything at all. Broke down. You made a couple bucks. Popped back up. You knew to be out. Pulled back down. And there you go. There's your payday, right? Never came back till way over here. So if you guys are scalping these ranges, right? Even something like this, it popped to the upside and your stop is down here, right? Very minimal. Same thing here. You entered here, your stop is here, you got paid on this little move, right? It breaks back through, you're out, it breaks back down, there's your move, right? So start watching those. I mean, the other thing, obviously, is you could have got in on these little 2-minute EWOs and you could have got paid too, right? But I'm just saying, if you're using these pre-markets, use them. This is why I'm telling you guys to call them out. And I also said that they're going to be critical all day long, right? It's nice because most of the time they happen at the bell because they'll pull really hard or they'll pop really hard. But you can use them all day if you guys are going to scalp. You guys understand that, right?
Yeah, that's what I've been doing with SPY, Coach.
Good, good. Right here, Netflix. Here's another payday situation, all right? Netflix right here, the break of 344.68, if you're looking at your pre-market setup from yesterday, is this move. It never, ever, ever, ever comes back even close to VWAP till here. Well, guess what? You should have already been out anyways, and now you're in your 2-minute EWO. Same situation. Do you see how this is going to pay you? One contract of Netflix, probably, I don't know, $600-800. You could even go super far out of the money. You could buy $100-200, right? Whatever it is, right here. There's your payday. Okay. It's telling you directional change. Right here is your first 2-minute EWO because it's larger than the rest, which means you bought it somewhere in here and you got paid the rest of the day to the upside. Does everybody see that? You wrote it down, you wrote it up. 2 trades, minimal risk. Congratulations. Have to take advantage of those. That's what this pre-market is for. I'm just kind of going down the list to see what these look like. Here you go. Apple, I said if it breaks 164.99, there's your downside hammer, right? Guess what it did at the open? I said give it a couple cents. Go ahead and hammer it. Look at it. Barely candle broke through it, and goodbye. See it? There's your ride to the downside. There's your 2-minute EWO to the upside. You rode it up the rest of the day. So you rode it down on pre-market, up on your 2-minute. Do you see it?
Yes, Coach.
Yes, sir.
For sure.
So while you guys are like, I don't know what to do, stop. You know exactly what to do. You know exactly when to do it. Google to the downside was 106.11. That's this red mark right here. Now this one waited because this one popped up. It broke through. You could have did it here. Very small. And then it did it here again. Goodbye, lights out. Go ahead and collect all your money. You see how that one happened twice? Same thing though. Broke through here. Okay. Stops here. It did it again. Within the next 2 minutes. Broke through here. Bye-bye. Right?
Yep.
Here's the other thing that I need you guys to pay attention to. All right? Because a lot of times you're scaring yourselves out of all of this money. The break was here. Did it come back ever through VWAP again?
Nope.
So should you be getting rid of it?
Nope.
There you go.
Nope.
Do you see how easy that is? And some of you are like, well, coach, I got scared out on this move. Why'd you get scared out? You bought it up here, right? Oh, this one scared me. Why? Oh, coach, I didn't like it. Why? You bought it here, right? You could have rode this all day if you wanted to, because right here's VWAP, right? You still would have collected. If you rode this all day, you still could have collected all the way to here, right? Again, you guys get the advantage that you get to ride it all day and stare at it. If you're in it, you get to stare at it all day. I don't get to do that. You do. Amazon, the poll was 103.77. Do you see it right here? There it is. Did it ever come back? Did it ever one time break VWAP?
No.
Nope. So are you supposed to get out?
Nope.
Nope. How many of you did? All of you. Do you understand now?
Yes.
I want at least one contract, which with Amazon is going to cost you about $40. Your risk is about $5 to $10. That is if it breaks above the breakout line that you had of pre-market to the downside, right? And you doubled your money at least on this. At minimum, you doubled your money. Probably times and a half. 1.5 times, maybe 2. All right.